When you use a standard web-based AI, you are talking to a blank slate every time. The moment you close the tab, it forgets everything. To build real automation, we need to replace that temporary chat with a stable, permanent system. By combining a language model manager called Hermes with a note-taking app called Obsidian, you can construct your own agent operating system. It runs locally on your machine, and it costs exactly $0. This visual map shows what a localized memory looks like. Over time, as your AI agent works, it actively builds a web of contextual notes, forming deep relationships between the data points you feed it. Rather than typing repetitive prompts into a stateless chatbot, you are creating an intelligence that retains your specific rules, remembers past work, and executes tasks on its own. To make this process perfectly clear, we will use a consistent layout. You will see the actual software interfaces on the left side of your screen, while the specific step-by-step instructions track along the right. Every agent OS relies on 3 interconnected building blocks: a brain to process logic, a memory to store context, and an action layer for execution. The brain, your AI model, reads prompts and determines logical steps to reach your goal. Step 1 is configuring that engine. Inside the Hermes dashboard, navigate to Settings to select your primary AI model. Click the Model Selection dropdown and choose a free, local model to ensure operations without daily API charges. This comparison list shows the best free models in Hermes. Ling 3.0 Flash offers excellent baseline performance for general tasks. For development environments, specialized models like Kimi or Minimac are better suited for coding. Securing a reliable, zero-cost processing engine is the absolute prerequisite. You cannot automate complex actions until the core logic center is fully online. Free AI models come with strict rate limits. If your agent is running a batch of heavy tasks, hitting one of these API limits will instantly shut down your workflow with a 429 error. You prevent this by running Omniroot, an automatic router between your agent and the APIs. When a request hits a rate limit, Omniroot detects the failure and seamlessly diverts it to an active green endpoint, keeping your OS online indefinitely. Moving to the memory layer, type the command in your AI interface to connect to Obsidian locally. Instruct the agent to organize its memories, and it will generate specific folders directly in your local file directory. This left sidebar confirms the integration is active. The agent is now capable of auto-exporting its conversation context and writing it directly into these organized, permanent text files. Storing context as local text files gives you complete data ownership. More importantly, it ensures your AI never loses track of your long-term project rules, even during extensive multi-day operations. Now that your brain and memory are linked, you need to configure the action layer. Building workflows from scratch is tedious, so we will deploy pre-configured systems using simple package uploads. Attach the workflow zip file directly into the AI interface and prompt it to unpack and configure. A terminal window will populate, pausing to display a button requiring you to authorize CLI access. Look closely at the auth omissions warning. Forgetting to manually grant terminal access stops the automation chain dead. Conversely, avoid premature deployment. Never give full publishing access before thoroughly testing initial drafts locally. Authorizing the command line is the threshold moment. You are granting the AI permission to execute code, move files, and interact with the internet. It elevates the tool from a passive text generator into an active system administrator. This holistic stack represents your finalized setup. Hermes drives the logic, Omniroot routes the free requests, Obsidian hosts the memory, and prepackaged zip files dictate the specific tasks. When you supply a rigid PDF document detailing your formatting rules alongside a target keyword, the Agent OS researches the data and writes a highly accurate, rankable SEO article entirely to spec. The final step is connecting that localized output to the web. By plugging an application password for WordPress or an access token for Netlify into the OS, the agent can format and publish posts directly to your live site. You have successfully built a private automated pipeline. Because all historical data and instructions are permanently logged in your localized memory, the system requires less manual input tomorrow than it did today.